Guess what's back in the shop? Guess what's done? That's got to go back into the Buffalo. Yeah, it's 3:45. Here I am again. Here's the old Mac again. Oh, it ain't old. It's a 14, I think, but the low boy's 06. We're still struggling. Well, I mean, we're not struggling. We're making mistakes because we're human beings. Beans? Beans. That makes you fart a lot. We put a different pump on there, as you guys know, a bigger pump. But we never changed the suction line because we didn't have any. It came in yesterday. So we're going with a 3/4 inch suction line from the tank to the pump. And it was calving the other day. Well, it just couldn't feed itself enough oil. And yeah, so hopefully that's done. And then if you guys got a solution for ABS brake valves in winter, I gotta get this trailer in here and get that valve off of there. Either replace it or clean it or something and get the water out of it, because can't get the old man's trailer, the low boy, the rear brakes release without some electric heat. You know, in the form of a glorified hair dryer. Anyways, when you see that back there, let's go look. See that? I got my plating. The boys dug that out of the snow yesterday so it could be dry for me. So today I gotta get to work here. Get to work. Oh, where did it go? It's not on this side, but yeah, it's on the other side. Other side. We got some crackers here. And to do it right, I always take the axle out. I don't. The two boys do. My men take the axle out. Because I got to get up in here, into this plate too. And it's cracked around one of the bosses. You've seen it before if you've been watching me for any length of time. Here's another spot on the bottoms of these supports for the tilt cylinders. I extend these down. At least this one. I have to look back. It'll come back to me. Yeah, we've got some little bit right in here on the boss on the other side, and this one. So I put a plate in all the way throughout here, all the way down into this neck of the woods here to get this there all done. So that's what I'll be up to for the next couple of days. Back to Welder. Welder Mike is back in the shop. And he's going to get her done. Get her done. So that's my morning update for y'all. Hope you enjoy your day. And that's it. Have a great morning. We will talk at you later.